back. We're going to dive right into variables in PowerShell. So the best way to think of a variable is that it is a container that you can put a piece of information into. So far we've just worked with commands in the PowerShell window and the ISE, working with commandlets. But if you're going to eventually work with football player or team stats, you're going to have to know how these work. So let's go ahead and open up PowerShell. And the number one thing to know about variables in PowerShell is that they always start with a $sign. So this lets PowerShell know that they're dealing with that it's dealing with a variable, and that you're not trying to utilize a commandlet or some other kind of function. So we're going to make a variable called favorite team. We're going to set that variable value to Detroit Lions. So now that the variable is set, with PowerShell, you can check the value of it just by saying, hey, favorite team, what's that? And press enter, it'll give you the value of the variable. Now you can actually pass these variables to commandlets, so we can do that. And we'll say we want to right host my favorite team is the, and then we'll invoke the variable. You'll see it will print back, my favorite team is the Detroit Lions, but it's specifically calling the value of favorite team. So if we look at favorite team, again, and we want to set it to something else, which we can do, set it to the Denver Broncos. Now if we right host again, the exact same variable, but now we've changed the value, you'll see that it's changed the value. And that is really the nuts and bolts of variables, at the most basic level. Now you guys know how to set variables. You can see that you can bring them into other commandlets. And we can actually, later on, we'll see how commandlets can set the values of variables. So with that, let's go ahead and move into data types.